Good morning. It's the last full day for all of us here today. Well, Anne and Stu go back to their house in Cumbria later today. Jeff and Bonnie fly out to Orlando first thing in the morning, and we travel back tomorrow evening, back to Bristol and then back on to South Wales. So I don't know whose idea it was to have a really late night last night and really early morning this morning, but whoever you are,
it wasn't mine.
Thank you. It wasn't Pandy's. I know it wouldn't have been yours. Not sure what we're doing today. Going to meet the others now and find out.
Room for 6 at least.
A lot of people just go.
So the plan so far is Laura's kitchen, if we can get in, because it's a small place. And we can go and have breakfast, hopefully. So that's St Mary's Cathedral. Very, very pretty. And some interesting artwork in there.
It's just an old part of Edinburgh as far as I know.
Yeah.
Like, we just know it's like my nan was born in this area, and it's always somewhere that we've always come down to. And like I said, when they put our ashes in, we just used to come and say, "Hi Nan, you're right," kind of thing, when we visited.
So Water of Leith Walkway.
Yeah. So what we're going to do when we leave here, you go on the bridge of this better pictures. We'll actually walk up there, and then we walk back down, and there's like a walkway along next to the river.
Oh.
And takes us to a place called Stockbridge, which is lovely. It's a really
Yeah.
nice part of Edinburgh. But it's a lovely little walk.
Beautiful.
It's old Edinburgh, isn't it? It's...
Yeah. I wonder what century these date back to.
We went past that, it was 1850 something, because Andy was pointing out to Stuart. So are you trying to say, Dad, ask Dad if he was around then?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's quite... But this is like the
18.
the Water of Leith, so it goes down to the Forth of Firth. But it's a nice, like, you wouldn't think you're in the middle of a major city.
No, not at all.
I'm just going to walk down shortly. It's just so peaceful, even though you will have a lot of tourists. It's the middle of the summer.
So there's a date on that Edinburgh School Board at 1875.
Vediamo quello che abbiamo. No, ma andiamo al centro, da qua.
very big on purple flowers around here. Yeah. There's purple grows around here. Purple.
Can't see the dates on any of these buildings, can you?
No.
What would you guess at? 1780?
Could be. They're all the original sandstone buildings, aren't
18
they?
something, yeah.
I don't think it's as old as down at Dean Village.
No?
My auntie had lived in it and she had those shutters inside, the wooden ones.
Oh,
She
right.
lived down Leith. It's actually saying the pub is open.
Oh, is it?
I wasn't sure. I just wasn't sure if it opened at weekends.
Keys Bar.
I thought, Christ, we walk all this way, it doesn't open during the week. So we're going to Jamaica Street.
Jamaica Street.
Yeah.
Oh. Going to the Caribbean.
Nah, you would not say about the pub we're going in love.
We've made it to Jamaica Street in Keys Bar, established in 1976. Pandy's pointing round there. What's the history there? John Kay and Sons wine merchant traded from 39. Well, there you go, there's a history. Gonna have a look what it's like inside.
There's brown otter in Oz. No idea. There's always. I'm putting a request for tickets with them because I couldn't access the forum. So I sent them a
Boozy cows. So we're going in the Boozy Cow. These are cute little tables. Keep out. Please use the other door. Clever, clever. Oh, look. What's your beef?
With sour cream and mustard, hot wings with Jack Daniel's honey and a milkshake in 25 minutes.
Can I get a free t-shirt, please?
Could you do that? Could you do that, please?
I'll just give it to
Jeffrey.
And actually,
Right, and how much is that?
35 pounds.
Right, it's about a tenner for the t-shirt.
And
Jeff,
Bonnie
can
wants
you-
one and Ann wants one, so you have to do all
yeah.
three.
Can you do one, please? Oh, I can see them like ants. All the people at the top of the castle. We've just come out of the Boozy Cow, which was really good. Highly recommend it. And then we're going to have a walk around before some of us have to go home. Hello. Musher's Money Penny. Oh, we haven't eaten. That's what the issue is, I think.
breakfast.
Yeah, we had breakfast. We've had nothing since, and it's like 4 o'clock. And there is this Jeff.
I like these. Now that I like them.
They're great, but I think we could have an accident with them.
So these were not hung over the bed the first day. Because I'm like, I was with Andy last
Oh, I love your guys' bags.
Bing, bing, bing.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. And do that above. Do that. Can you mime above with? Oh wow. Oh, that's so cute.
And these were meant to be £100 each, but the Tesco club card for 40 quid each.
Brilliant.
Yeah. And the best cases we've ever had.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
No, we're going to have to go to, we're going to get something to eat
cute.
on the, for the train.
You
We're
don't
gonna
need
have to.
food when you've got iron brew.
The brew.
Come on, Dad. Oh, come on,
Oh. So may see you next week. May see you next week.
I wish.
Oh, thanks. Oh, handsome man, Stu. Oh. I know. Oh, we really enjoyed your company. Really enjoyed.